some type of resistance bands to wear. This workout is basically just going to be a core workout. We're also going to be working our thighs and our glutes. So you will need a resistance band. I'm using a medium. Doesn't matter which one you start off with, but you just need a resistance band. You can join in on the workout with me. I am also going to save this to be posted on my YouTube. So you just want to have the bands right above your knees, just like that. We're going to start off with a stretch. Bend down and stretch in between our legs. You're going to lift back up just like this. Deep breath, stretch. Back down. Stretch. Back up. Stretch. Back down again. Take those deep breaths. Okay, we are going to get started. It's a fairly simple routine, but it works, it's effective. We're going to help you repair your core, okay? Your core, if you're a mom, you know it starts to hang a little bit. This is going to help bring that up, okay? It's also going to help with your thighs and your glutes. We're going to start with, we're going to be using a wall, so you'll need like some type of wall to do some of these exercises with. So we're going to start with a standing mountain climber, and I'll show you what it looks like. So you're going to lean forward on the wall, and you're going to bring your leg up just like this, each side. Okay? So you want to try to pull the band as far as you can go with moving your leg up. We're going to do 10 on each leg. So like I said, lean forward onto the wall. You're going to bring your leg up like that. That counts as 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. And you'll really start to feel it in your glutes, your thighs, and you should feel it in your core. With each exercise, you need to bring that core nice and tight. So now we're going to do glute bridges. So like I said, you're going to need a wall. You want to be within a 90-degree angle of the wall. So I'm going to scoot up a little bit more. I'm going to have to separate my legs just a little bit. And you're going to lift up using your pelvis. You want to make sure your back is flat onto the ground, no arch. Okay? So we're going to use our heels to push up. Just like that. Okay? We're going to do 10 of those. Make sure your core is nice and tight. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and every time you go back down, don't slam your butt, but you want to go down slow. These are slow, controlled movements. It's gonna burn. You're gonna feel it burning, but it's working. Okay, so like I said, feet slightly apart. You're gonna be pressing with your heel to lift you up. 5 more. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. After that one, we're gonna go similar. Make sure I'm up. So similar to that, we're gonna be doing a bridge up, but we're gonna bring our legs back just like this. You want to make sure you're keeping your core nice and tight. Okay, so we're gonna do 10 each leg. Again, make sure you're 90 degree to the wall and lift up, starting with the right leg. Bring it back, left leg, bring it back. That counts as 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Okay. You take a nice little break. And then we're going to go into the wall crunches, okay? Like I said, this is going to help build your core muscles back. Your core muscles, keep them stabilized, nice and tight. It's going to lift everything up. You're going to start noticing your stomach is going to start lifting. So now we're going to be doing the wall crunch. We want to have our legs up on the wall. And we're going to start like this. We're going to have our arms up. And every time we lift up to crunch, we're just going to open our legs slightly. Okay? So we're going to do 10 of those. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Good. All right, and then we're gonna go into, we're gonna use the wall again. I'm gonna face you this way. We're gonna keep our arms behind our head, and we're just gonna keep our feet straight up like this. We're gonna lift each leg just like this. Alternating legs. All right, so we're gonna do 10 of those. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. And last one, we're going to be doing side crunches here. So you want to be on your right side. We're going to start with the right side. I'm putting most of my weight on my forearm, and then I'm just going to lift. Okay, so we're going to do 10 on each side. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now we're going to go to the other side. Keep your core nice and tight. Again, all of your pressure should be going on your forearm. You're going to have your other arm behind your head, and you're going to crunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Good. So that was the first round. We're going to repeat that same cycle 2 more times. Right? You should be feeling it in your thighs, in your butt, and in your abdomen. Again, like I said, you want to make sure you keep your core nice and tight because we want to shrink it up. All right, let's start over with the standing mountain climbers. Facing the wall, we want to be holding onto the wall, bending slightly, and bringing that leg up as far as it can go with the bands on, okay? Keep your core nice and tight and lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. All right. Now we're going to do the glute bridges. So we're back down with our feet at a 90-degree angle to the wall. Scoot up if you need to be. You don't want to be too far because you want to make sure you're putting all your pressure into your feet to lift you up. Okay? So I'm going to have my arms to my side and I'm going to lift. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Whew. You can feel the burn. You can really feel it. All right. Make sure I'm up. Now, similar to that, remember we're going to lift up, and then we're going to bring each leg forward. Okay? We're doing 10 each leg with that one too. So legs, arms to the side, arms to the side, lift up, and bring the right leg back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. You want to make sure you're taking those deep breaths every time. Good job, y'all. We're almost halfway through. All right. Now we have the, oh, I'm ahead of myself. Okay, we have the wall crunches. So we're back here. Get close to the edge of the wall. All right, and we have our arms up, legs up, and every time we go forward, we separate our legs. All right, so we have 10 of those. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Good job. All right, now we have our alternating leg lifts. So we're going to be flat on our backs. We are going to touch the wall. And we're going to keep our legs and feet straight. And we're just going to lift up. All right, we have 10 each leg. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Last exercise. We are on our right side. Most of our weight is going on our forearms. Keep your core nice and tight. Other arm behind your head and lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. 10 more on the other side. Core nice and tight. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. definitely should be feeling it. I know I am. Like I said, this is a great exercise to help you rebuild your core muscles, keep your core muscles nice and tight. If you suffer from ab separation, this is a really good workout to do. This is also going to help you with your glutes, okay? It's going to help lift and plump those glutes, okay? We have one more round. One more round. We got this. With the mountain climbers. Standing mountain climbers. We are leaning forward onto the wall. We're keeping our core nice and tight as we lift each leg, okay? Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Into the wall bridges. We are at a 90-degree angle with our feet onto the wall. So make sure your feet are at a 90-degree angle, your legs, all right? Arms to the side and lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. All right. We're going to go straight into the glutes, the wall bridges, I'm sorry. We're going to go back up, but we're going to alternate leg lifts, okay? So core nice and tight and lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. Really feel that one. Really do. Okay. To the crunches. We're here. Take those deep breaths. As you lift, you open your legs, okay? Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Good job, y'all. We're almost done. Almost done. We are flat. Feet pointing upwards, arms touching the floor, core nice and tight. We are doing the leg lifts Alternating leg lifts. 10 each side. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Last one, guys. Last one. We are back on the side. We have all of our weight on our forearms. Our core is nice and tight. We're doing 10 each side. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Last one. Last one. 10 on this side and we're done. Core nice and tight. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. That is it. That is it. Thank y'all so much for joining me. Like I said, this is really going to help you build and repair your core. If you suffer from a hanging mommy belly like I have for years, these exercises are what I'm doing to finally get my core tight. And it's working, y'all. It's working. It's actually helping with the whole lower body area too. So I suggest you do these 2 to 3 times a week. I'm going to save this video so that you can do it on my YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube at Coach_Nia.